want to tell them what you're here for?
Yeah, we're here. We're going to be removing all the seam sealant off the top of our Airstreams. Got some Kool seal on it, painted silverish. I want to remove it all, refinish it all, repair any loose rivets. So this is what I got so far.
We're here at the big box store.
Yeah, the big blue box store. And I'm not sure which is best for the aluminum without harming it. I have mineral spirits at home. So now I'm on Airform, see what they have, what most people use. Hi everybody. We're working on the top of our 1989 Airstream. I'm scraping the Kool seal off that the previous owner put on. It's very labor intensive. The stuff has been on for 25 or so years and it is not coming off easy. I started out with a plastic putty knife trying to scrape it. It wouldn't do anything. Then I used Goo Gone, then some mineral spirits. None of that did anything. So I finally went and got some heavy duty paint remover. And this stuff is bad to the bone. It's cutting it right off after putting it on for 5 or 10 minutes. But make sure you have safety glasses on, rubber gloves. Stuff is burning through these 5mm latex gloves. I'm gonna get some stronger gloves tomorrow when Lowe's opens. Hopefully I get all this off this weekend. If not, I'll be out here next weekend doing it. Back at it. Okay, second video inside the trailer. I've tore out the front gaucho. Told you I had a soft spot over in this corner. It's completely deteriorated. Just pulled up the laminate floor. So no big deal there. I can fix all this. Don't look like it's gone too far back. This piece has already been replaced. Soft here. I don't know about soft, but it's dipped down. I'm going to replace all this wood. Probably all the way back to at least the door here. Once I get all this vinyl flooring ripped up. Didn't like the vinyl, this type of vinyl anyway. It was coming up regardless. Hopefully there's no more surprises. The rest of the trailer seems pretty solid. Some work cut out for me, both inside and out. That's what I like to do.